That's it.
No?
And now the ginger. So guys, we are in the JW Marriott kitchen and they have 31 exec chefs and that's Himanshu. He's the exec chef of JW Marriott Juhu. And we are in the same team together and we've got chefs from Marriott hotels all over. So everyone's cooking, they're divided into teams and each team has like a blogger and they're 3 or 4 professional chefs and that's a chili malai curry in our team happening. We are doing all Bengali stuff, so I've taken over the menu in our team. So we are making a pomfret curry with mustard and so we are using kasundi and mustard oil and it's going to be wrapped and Chef Himanshu is showing me how to fillet pomfret. I've never filleted pomfret before. I'm super excited and we are going to make, this is Chef Vivek from the Marriott in Agra. And he's making paratha with gur. And he's a chef who's not in our team, but he's photo bombing. And this is Chef Chaudhary from Bhopal.
He's our chef taking our stuff.
So, hey, this is on tomato. So we are doing a full Bengali menu in my team. I've taken over as you can see. So we are making a malai curry which has come from Malaysia to Bengal. And no, not too many cooks find the broth. Sometimes too many cooks have a lot of time. So that's the malai curry happening over here. These are all the spices going in. So the tomato goes in now.
Yes.
So thank
Tomato
you.
base there now?
Yeah, tomato base. Okay, this is what's this?
There's chicken roulade.
Chicken roulade. I thought we are supposed to do traditional stuff. Okay, that's another blogger here. You are whom? Ekta. Lot of fun, lot of action happening over here. And this is like the kitchen over here at the Marriott Juhu. This is water happening for the rice and they're going to make the parathas over here which is going to be served with. Chef, you're going to do the parathas with what? Gur, jaggery?
Yes.
Gur or soft ke parathe.
Gur or soft ke parathe. Soft in English is what?
Soft is fennel.
Fennel and gur, jaggery. And in Bengal also we have rotis with gur. Okay, where's the tomato paste? Tomato paste nahi hai to no problem. Put the
No. How should we put?
Let's just finely chop this. We can just finely chop this. Very finely chopped. I just need like not all malai curries have tomato in fact. Like I put tomato but not all malai curries have tomato. Bas.
Don't add them. Why adding?
No, but I do it.
It's your recipe.
And
What is the story? What is the story?
And it gives a bit of tanginess to it.
That's
and
fine, but what is the story behind? Whose recipe is this? From whom have you learned this?
Okay, so I used to get a lot of my recipes in the beginning from the internet before there was blogging.
Okay.
And the recipe I had seen had tomato.
Okay.
And it was a US-based Bengali.
All right.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that's the masala. Now what we've done is we've made a wet paste of the masalas, chili powder, turmeric and a bit of dhania and garam masala. So can we add this now?
थोड़ा टमाटर को पकने देंगे
जाना नहीं थोड़ा सा
उससे क्या होगा वो खटास नहीं आएगी बिकॉज मस्टर्ड नहीं तो वो ओवर पावर कर जाएगा
नहीं इसमें मस्टर्ड नहीं है इसमें कोकोनट मिल्क होगा
थोड़ा अदरवाइज टू स्वीट
Okay, what are they making? So in our team we are making Bengali dishes.
Yes.
So this is a chingri malai curry which has actually come from Malaysia.
I'm adding your secret masala, right?
Yeah, this is the secret Kalyan touch.
Yes.
And so we need to add the coconut milk to this.
Yeah, that we have. So should I? Okay. थोड़ा प्रॉन इसमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा अभी नहीं
पहले कोकोनट मिल्क because
थोड़ा सा हाफ कर दे
for the flavors. Okay, like 3 or 4 just for the prawn flavors because we don't want the prawns to overcook.
Chef, tomato ready.
So I like playing the exec chef over here and let me show you the parathas being happening. Okay, this is a chef who's from Archie, Mumbai. He's from Powai and he's from the Renaissance in Marriott.
I'll add some water so that your coconut milk won't get curdled.
Okay, ठीक है. Yeah. Okay, so these are our prawns which we went and bought from the Nature's Basket outlet. I didn't know that frozen prawns could be thawed so quickly, but obviously there's a lot of expertise which the exec chefs get. And Chef Talia is making the parathas over here. Okay. Yeah.
I'm using this right.
Instead of the
Okay, बनाते बैठेंगे.
ठीक है. मैं इससे ही खाता हूँ. मगर वो अगर कर सकते तो अच्छा है.
वो वाला कौन सा? This one? नहीं, लायो.
Ambe mode.
The one which you got.
Yeah.
So you got this one.
This is ambe mole rice, but we don't need to make so much.
But how you make this?
Just boil and strain the water.
That's it.
Yeah, so boil it and strain the water. Yeah, add it. Yeah. So we're going to cook, let this cook for about a minute. Oh, wow.
अरे चौक
आटा भी तो बना है।
नहीं हो गया ना हाँ थोड़ा सा
नमक
मैं चेक करो ना
नमक डाला है क्या?
ये
नहीं, नमक नहीं डाला. So you add some salt.
उधर तवे बना लो एक आध।
ये इधर है
नहीं, टमाटर नहीं चाहिए. नहीं
अभी
चाहिए.
तवे बना लो तो।
हाँ, it's
तवे पे चलो, तवे पे चलो। तवा बहुत तेज बॉईल हो रहा है।
हाँ वैसे भी ये करी है ना
it's got the prawn flavor. That is a good touch. So our curry is cooking. So this is how it is in a professional kitchen. That's the paratha. Chef Vivek also has a radio show in Agra.
Yes,
It's a daily Agra
Daily
radio
Agra show.
What's the channel?
that's 92.7 Big FM.
Big FM
and,
in Agra.
the property is called Food Ka Mood.
Food
Ka Mood.
Food ka mood. Okay, if you can see, even chefs take photographs.
then
We can add the prawns. Should have boiled homi kebab. No.
Nothing?
No curry leaves in Bengali food. No curry leaves in Bengali food. We Bengalis hate curry leaves in food. Our curry leaves in Malai curry would be like start up a war and it would be protests at Red Road.
Black is back here. One of the parathas is black is back.
अब added some prawns huh
Yeah. So we just let it cook for 30 seconds and that's why I chose the Malai curry because it's so quick to cook.
Favorite chingri malai curry.
Yeah. So introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Pratibha. I am an Instagram food blogger, Hungry Ladki.
What's your Instagram account?
Hungry Ladki. I am a big fan of Kalyan Karmakar. He is the first food blogger that I know.
Thank you so much.
So glad to be on this.
Me too.
Oh, our parathas are ready. Is this maida or atta?
Atta. शुद्ध देसी आटा.
No, because in Bengal we use maida for our paratha. I think okay.
शरबती
any
आटा.
garnish
No. Just some red green chilies and red chilies on top.
right
So dry red chilies and some fresh green chilies, flavors of green chilies.
Done.
That's all the
you want to
garnish.
taste this now you can just taste like this it's a bit sweet
No, it's meant to be like that. I think a bit more salt.
है ना
Bit more salt, but it's got the flavors of prawns very well.
चीनी नहीं है कुछ पता ही नहीं तुमको
So so just with us. That's it. So the garnish will just be a few slivers of green chilies and one or two dry red chilies. Bas, over.
done
Yeah. Don't overcook the prawns. Garnish will be a bit of. Oh wait. I'm focusing on me. Wait. Okay, so that's our dish. The prawn malai curry, my favorite dish to cook. Let the judges eat also, chef.
yes
So also some broken garam masala as garnish. So a bit of cinnamon, cardamom, थोड़ा सा break करके. But आप
पता नहीं मैं
see we are going
करने वाले थे
to plate on a bowl, ना? तो उसके
on this what is that chef Himanshu
okay, that's our parathas happening and so this
Apply
is,
some nice ghee on it.
so ghee will be applied on this and gur and jaggery.
वरना कंफ्यूज रहेंगे।
A lot of action happening here. So this is the local Amde Mor rice, which is a local of Maharashtra and it's similar to the Biryani Mor. So while I normally have basmati and rice, but our beef is traditional.
राइस में डाल देना वो किसके लिए फिश के लिए
Okay, this is our fish paturi, which is normally made with hilsa or bhetki. But to get a local flavor, we've used pomfret. And since we have professional chefs here, they could fillet it as well. And to save time, we've used kasundi. We've used kasundi and we've used a bit of mustard oil. Put some green chilies also later when plating.
It's making now. We're putting steam.
It's okay.
So now we want.
No, on.
So then what to do?
So now put it for steaming.
No, now green chilies.
No, while plating. Cut.
Later we need green chilies.
Yeah.
फेसबुक ये लाके इधर किधर लेके जा रहे हैं?
वो भाई रुक जा ना
Okay, now
अभी कुछ भी हो सकता है you never know
our chef for our plating for the malai curry. We'll just put a bit of dust of garam masala, like some bits of cinnamon, cardamom, and that, and some slivers of green chili. So that's our plate. Yeah. Yeah. So just
Put on top.
yeah.
While plating.
While plating. So that's what we Bengalis do. We normally add a bit of garam masala on top. So these are what we go in. This is Chef Himanshu. He's the executive chef at JW Marriott Juhu, and this is his identity. And he's hosting all the chefs from all over Marriott. So there were how many chefs have come?
There are 30 chefs from all over India.
And these are all the executive
Yeah,
chefs.
all the executive chefs, and we have Chef Tuan Haskell. Tuan Haskell is the director of culinary from Hong Kong.
He's based in Hong Kong.
He's basically from. He is not from Hong Kong. He works in Hong Kong, and
Which country is he from? What's his-
He's from Germany.
Germany.
And he is the one who takes care of the culinary of Asia Pacific. So he runs about 180 hotels.
And today's brief for all the teams is traditional
it's
Indian food.
very traditional Indian food, 3 preparations.
So no sauerkraut, no German
it's-
sausages, nothing.
Yeah, no.
No
Make
Matteo
in India.
And no Matteo and his raviolis.
So clean as you go. We have cleaned also the area out.
Oh, fantastic.
Clean as you go. The dishes are ready.
Clean as you go. Clean as you go.
Chef can get pretty excited also. Huh? Already winning, huh? We are all about simplicity in our team.
Quick interview will do.
Okay, quick interview with me. This is Sagar, who's like an independent professional, and he does a lot of camera work, covers a lot of things. So you want to interview me, or should I interview you? Okay, take it. Because I'm also doing a Periscope, so it's going to be live on Periscope. But it's fine. With my team is busy cooking. Okay, this is
30 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, 30 minutes more.
but we are finished with our cooking.
It's very good, but it doesn't mean that you win.
So do we get some wine then?
Well, that's up to
sit back and
Himanshu, right?
relax.
Himanshu's property here, right? So you need to talk to Himanshu there. I would totally agree
So
with
chef,
you.
tell me, what is the idea behind your plan, and why are you saying traditional? Why aren't we doing some ravioli and some Thai curry and all of that?
Are you making raviolis?
No.
Oh, okay.
So why is that your beef? Why is the beef?
Okay, the fact is that what we're trying to do in Marriott is we're trying to go local, right? Local in traditional food, authenticity. Because what we see that nowadays traveler, the millennial traveler of today, the Gen Y traveler, which is the future for our hotels, is really into authentic food. So they don't want to eat the comfort food what they know from back home. They want to eat the food that's actually happening in the place where they are, where they're visiting. And it also gives a bit of what do you call that? It gives the properties an opportunity to make signatures. So signatures is what it's all about, right? And this morning with the suppliers, we had the local suppliers as well. So it's also about local ingredients, locally farmed, farm to table, all that kind of stuff. So that's what we're trying to achieve.
And how's it been over these? You have a 3-day meet with your chefs?
Yeah, we had 3 days. 3 days. So the first day was about food quality. Today is about social media because social media is very important. And tomorrow we're going to talk about weddings. So
And what do you feel about the culinary talent in India?
I think it's fantastic. You know, the thing what I like about India is the passion of the chefs, right? You know, if I travel throughout the region, I think India is definitely in the top 3 of most passionate chefs that we have.
Which are the other two?
Well, Southeast Asia in general is very good. China is also pretty good. Australia. So yeah, no, we have, you know, in general we have passionate people. But what I like about here is that they work together very well, you know, and they help each other out. They do things together. And, you know, sometimes it's very difficult to get products here. By working together, cooperating, they do an excellent job.
Great, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. We were periscoping this. So listen, we have half an hour more. तो हम फिर से राइस बना सकते हैं because आधा घंटा और हार. But we have got half an hour more.
Yeah,
देख,
right.
someone told me जल गया.
नहीं वो तो जानबूझ के बोला
अच्छा for drama.
Steam हो गया है.
Okay.
So
So we
rice
all
is
done.
ready.
And the fish shouldn't become too hard.
Not too hard, right?
And when the fish is done, before serving, we'll just put a few drops of mustard oil.
My only little concern is
That will be too sharp for others.
I want to give it a steaming fish.
हाँ, so mustard oil
Steam
का
कैसे देंगे मतलब? How will we present it? That's what I'm thinking.
So normally the way it's presented in restaurants is that they give it on the packets and you open it on the plate, like a rojak or a paturi,
Yeah, but-
patrani machi.
Now let me just see.
Okay, it's all about social media.
Banana leaf में नहीं
Who's the
करते?
chef?
Banana leaf में नहीं करते.
हाँ, normally the banana leaf plate में खुलता है ना. So it should be. A bit more, थोड़ा bite है.
वो हो जाएगा.
थोड़ा bite. अच्छा, it'll cook in this. Okay. So this is, can you show me the rice please on the for the camera? So this is Ambemor rice, which is like popular in Mumbai, and it's a short grain rice, different from basmati, which is what you will know in rest of the world. And yeah, okay. That's Chef Ramjeet, whom I'd met when we were staying at the Marriott some time back. I remember you had the breakfast at Lotus Cafe.
Great.
See you.
Correct.
Correct, हाँ, चलो. Okay, I'm now going to give an interview. Can you hear me here? Okay. So today in my team we are cooking a Bengali themed menu. So what we are going to do is we are going to make some steamed fish, but we are using local fish. So we are using pomfret, and we are going to steam it in kasundi and mustard oil and banana leaves, so like a traditional Bengali machar paturi. Then we are making the prawn malai curry, because prawns again are very popular in Mumbai as well. So malai curry is my favorite Bengali dish and it's very quick to cook. And the origins of prawn malai curry actually came from Malaysia. So from the Bengalis used to go and work in Malaysia. And our chefs from Ankara are making paratha with gur and or jaggery and white butter and meaty dahi, which again has a very Bengali theme because we also have rotis with gur and jaggery, and of course our mishti dough is very famous. So we're doing all of that, and instead of using basmati, we are using Ambemor, which is again very similar to the very Bengali Govindabhog. So what I've done is I've taken chefs from all over, Punjabis, UPites and South Indians and all of that, and somehow convinced them to make a Bengali menu today.
Are you having fun?
Oh, I'm having a lot of fun. I love, because I'm not a chef, though I love cooking at home. So to be around with professional chefs who've trained so much is great fun. This is actually my second experience of cooking in a 5-star in about 10 days, because a week back I was in Kolkata and I cooked for my granny in the hotel there. But that was a very sanitized environment and not a live kitchen. But this is a active kitchen, so it's another different sort of thrill. Let me show you some of the other teams.
No, we are not. But who stops me from saying something good?
So what are you cooking, chef?
We have.
Okay, I want to interview.
Okay, the whole idea was.
So is this a shahi tukra? Is this like a shahi tukra that you're making? And chef, introduce yourself.
My name is Chef Sanjay.
And which
Courtyard by marriage. I'm a patient.
But which Korea? Courtyard.
Courtyard, Mumbai, CY.
Oh, you're from
Andheri.
Andheri East Courtyard. I remember eating at the Thai restaurant over there. Good food. So a lot of action happening over here, a lot of high energy. There's some more selfies happening there, so let me go and... So there's chefs. So this is a team which is working in a lot of calm, unlike all our teams there with a high pressure kitchen. This is like a Zen team, I can see. So chefs, which hotels are you guys from? You're from? Hyderabad.
Ritz-Carlton, Bangalore.
And you're from Hyderabad as well.
I'm from Bangalore,
Right.
Chef Azim.
And you have an Instagram, you're from Shoe Pastry Lab. Shoe Pastry Lab, yeah. This is how you should wash your hands if you're in a kitchen. What are you doing? ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
Rice filling.
Rice pudding. Rice pudding. Okay, this is a very fancy equipment that they make rice pudding. Another very calm kitchen. What is this? Dudu burger. So guys, I'm wondering if I should get out the periscope and join my team, but we've all finished with our cooking. And we just figured out we've got half an hour extra. Yeah. Okay, my team needs me. We are going to plate some plating time now. So I think yeah, we should, no, but I think
अब इसको रैप करेंगे.
this will give it a nice glaze also.
I have few things to tell you. ये बंद करो.
Okay. So let me just quickly show you the kitchen once again, and then we're going to wrap up our broadcast. So we are done with our cooking, which was in our group. It was the prawn malai curry, it was the pomfret paturi, and the parathas with gur. And we got some more time in terms of extension. So we are now going to close up and catch you guys later. I'll show you how the food looked later with some photographs on Instagram.